Following our announcement coverage, we got to go hands-on with the new TP-Link Deco XE75 Wi-Fi 6E mesh system. We've tried out a few Deco systems in the past, and the performance mixed with ease of use has always impressed me. Offering up to 5400 megabits per second and covering up to 5500 square feet, how did the latest from TP-Link work for me? Well, let's dive in and check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys, and coming in at $300, the Deco XE75 is TP-Link's first Wi-Fi 6E based mesh system. According to TP-Link, Wi-Fi 6E extends Wi-Fi 6 into the 6 GHz band, and this offers new bands without overlapping or interference and brings more bandwidth, faster speeds, and lower latency. Moving on to design, keeping in line with previous Decos, the XE75 has a simple, stylish design that won't stand out if it needs to be placed in a visible location. The tall, cylindrical white shape looks modern with a black top. They measure about 6.5 inches tall and 4.25 inches in diameter. Like other Decos, on front is a small logo, and then there is a status LED light on the bottom. And this LED light can flash many different colors to give different statuses of your system. In back, both units have 3 LAN ports for hard connecting physical devices. These can be helpful for home security or smart home systems that require a hub to be connected to a router. They'll also provide faster speeds if you need to connect a computer or a gaming console or something to them. And just like the rest of the Deco lineup, getting the XE75 up and running is very simple. Everything operates through the Deco app. Once downloaded, just unplug your modem, plug in the Ethernet port from the modem to the Deco, and then power them both on. The LED light will start flashing blue, indicating that it is ready to set up. Then just open up the Deco app and follow the instructions. And in here, you can either create a brand new network or add the XE75 to an existing Deco network. Since I already have some Deco units, I opted to delete my current network and create a new one with the XE75 as the main Deco. I then added the second XE75 in my office, which is above my garage, and then also added the 2 X68s that I had already set up and been using before to cover the rest of my house. And what's great about the Deco system is that the app is very straightforward and easy to use, but it can also get a little more technical and granular if you want. It's easy to set high priority devices and turn off mesh technology to any one device. It's also possible to set up profiles and assign devices to a specific person. That way, it's easy to set a bedtime that makes the internet unavailable at certain times. You can block certain sites and filter content. You can also set general time limits, but a subscription to the Home Shield Pro is required to that. For the XE75, I'm using one of the units as my main Deco and then the second unit out in my office, which is above the garage. Now, a wired connection would be, much better for getting the fastest speeds out of the system out in my garage, but I don't yet have a way to run a cable to my detached garage. And my house was built in 35, has a mainly brick exterior with some pretty thick interior walls built of dense materials. And the mesh does start to struggle even with the 2 units at like the furthest corners of my house. But when in the same room as the main Deco XE75, I was getting up to 650 megabits per second down and around 20 megabits per second up. In comparison, I did a speed test with the X68 that I had set up, and when in the same room with that unit, I was getting closer to 200 megabits per second down, so a pretty huge increase when swapping over to the XE75. And this is on my iPhone 8. But then even going about 2 rooms away into my kitchen, that speed drops closer to 200 megabits per second. Again, that's through some pretty thick walls. Out in my office, where I have the second unit, so the 2 units are talking to each other, that's through 2 exterior walls, I typically get around 325 megabits per second down and usually around 20 or 22 megabits per second up. And so overall, the XE75 has given some much faster speeds to my mesh network. My house still puts up a fight thanks to those thick walls, but from my testing, the new system is faster than my previous. And TP-Link has plenty of Deco systems for different budgets, coverage sizes, and speeds, so be sure to check out the X20 review and the X68 review, as well as check out TP-Link's other Deco systems. Additionally, TP-Link is out with a new PCIe adapter to use Wi-Fi 6E as well. The Archer TX-E75E was built to expand to the new Wi-Fi 6E standard, so meant to work pretty well with this new mesh system. And it also supports Bluetooth 5.2. Alright, and that'll do it for our quick look at the TP-Link Deco XE75 mesh system. Let us know what you think about it down in the comments below. And if you want to watch some other videos, I'll link to the review of the X68 as well as our most recent video. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.